You invest heavily in ads and marketing. Leads flood in, but sales plateau. It's not about the quantity of leads, it's about quality. Enter AI, the game changer in lead qualification. Traditional lead qualification is a tedious task. Sales reps waste 70% of their time sifting through data. Many leads slip through because of this inefficiency. Manual processes are outdated and costly. AI transforms lead qualification by analyzing intent. It evaluates customer behavior, determining who's ready to buy. This enhances your team's ability to close sales effectively. Every interaction generates valuable data points. AI interprets clicks, scrolls, and searches to reveal potential buyers. It can easily distinguish between casual browsers and serious buyers. Powerful platforms like HubSpot AI and Salesforce Einstein are revolutionizing lead scoring. These tools efficiently learn from your data, automating lead scoring, and delivering hot leads seamlessly. Imagine a visitor landing on your website. AI tracks their every move, scoring their intent in real time. It automates outreach, whether through emails or booking demo appointments. Real businesses are already benefiting from AI tools. A SaaS company increased their close rates by 31%. An e-commerce brand boosted repeat purchases by 25%. These success stories showcase AI's potential. Modern chatbots don't just respond, they qualify leads too. Chatbots engage visitors by asking relevant questions. By the time sales reps take over, leads are warm and ready to convert. There's a key difference between predictive and rule-based scoring. Rule-based scoring simply assigns points. Predictive scoring, however, anticipates a lead's likelihood to convert. This insight drives more effective strategies. AI isn't a replacement for sales teams, it enhances them. Think of it as a powerful suit that empowers salespeople. Together, they create an unstoppable force driving conversions. Success isn't just about generating more leads. Measure metrics like opportunity rates and win rates. Focus on qualified leads for effective AI automation ROI. Your action plan starts now. Audit your data and define what a qualified lead looks like. Integrate AI and track outcomes to optimize your marketing pipeline. The future holds AI agents that autonomously manage sales processes. Tools like Callfluent AI will redefine intelligent commerce across industries. Don't fall behind, competitors are moving toward AI automation. Companies that embrace this tech scale faster and convert leads more efficiently. Consider AI as a crucial element for maintaining your edge. Companies merging creativity with technology will thrive in this digital era. Stop guessing, and start automating. Let AI take charge of lead qualification while you focus on growing your business. Subscribe to Grow with Technology for insights on scaling through AI-driven marketing.